What's good, y'all? It's your girl Rain Dollars and welcome back to Dollasmenu. So today we're gonna make birria tacos. I went all out at the grocery store to get everything I thought I would need. I came a little short on the chili peppers, but the first thing we're gonna start with is our chili puree. Let's do it. So I followed an online recipe. I feel like I'm gonna say it wrong. These type of chilies. And then the lady used different kinds, but I'm gonna use poblano chilies, a regular green chili, I believe, and then a cayenne. Yeah, a cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna cut some of these up, take the seeds out. These I bought dried. So hopefully it'll still go the same. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be pretty spicy, so. Okay, so right now I have about 5 cayenne peppers, 2 poblano peppers. I have no idea what the brown pepper is. 3 guajillo peppers, or yeah, guajillo chilies, I don't even know. And then there's a big green pepper. We're gonna let that come to a boil, and then we're gonna steep it for 20 minutes. That's gonna be our chili. So while that's coming to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and take I have chuck beef, but I would have rather have, what is it, y'all? Beef shanks. So the original recipe called for something else. This is all I could find in my local grocery store. Y'all know I'm just an experimental cooker because I don't know what I'm doing anyway. So we're just gonna make it happen, Captain. I'm gonna put these on. We're just gonna let this brown. We're not gonna think too much about it. We're just gonna let this meat brown just a tad. Onions, chop them out. Put some in and then put the rest in there later. So this is about to start boiling. We'll cover it and let it steep for 20 minutes. While that browns, we'll let that brown and then throw it in our crock pot. Now make sure to cover your hands when you're cooking with chili peppers, because they can like burn your skin, or sometimes if they penetrate too deep. This is almost boiling back here. Once it gets to a boil, we want to turn it down. So y'all know I have my little, I think this is not even a quarter, it's a quarter-pound crock pot. So it'll all fit though, because the only thing going in here is meat, and the sauce will kind of flavor itself. We let our meat brown a little. You don't want to brown it too much, because first of all, this is not with the bone on like the recipe, and also you don't want it to be overcooked. So we're just going to take our meat, go ahead and turn it off, and we're just going to put it in our crock. Yeah, I'm so excited for this. Juices, onions on top. If anybody knows me, I had Birria tacos when we were in Cali, and I'm obsessed. Yeah, no. This is what we're looking like so far, guys. So just beef and onion so far, and a little bit of garlic. So I actually have about 15 minutes, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and season first, and then add the, what is it called? My chili puree last. So I'm gonna go with the beef. What is this called? Bouillon? I don't know, y'all. The beef seasoning cubes. You also could just do like a beef stock if you can't find this. But so I'm gonna use 2 cubes. Well, I think so. It's 1 cube per cup. Let's do 3, and we'll do 3 cups of water. Bay leaves. Smell good. So if you missed any of that, it'll be dropped in the comment section below. And then I always pop up the recipe. A little bit of cinnamon and just a little bit. That was a little lot of it. I heard this is just like a bomb all-purpose for flavor. At this point, we have bust down all the seasonings. Cinnamon, garlic, beef, oregano. What else just went in there? Salt, sazon. So we're feeling good. As soon as those are done, we will blend them up along with a chipotle and adobo sauce. So you just pull one of these out. I'm just going to use one and put it in there. I feel like my peppers are going to be so hot, but look at that, y'all. It's looking good already. I'm too excited, like too excited. So if it doesn't come through, you can always just put it all in. I'm scared. Cause she's pretty cool. I'm gonna go in as that falls with some chicken broth because your girl wants flavor. And we are just gonna put that baby on high for 4 to 6 hours. So right now I am just straining the fat. You'll see it accumulate there. You're gonna get as much of it as you can out and put it to the side. We're gonna use it still to cook our corn tortillas. We're just pulling all of our meat out, as much as of it that we can get. And that's it. I did the whole tortilla. I like when it gets a little crusty on the pan. And our sauce is hot, y'all, so alright, y'all, let's try it. Spicy. So last night I did learn, however, that it's better if you turn your heat down for the tacos to stay together. Dude. Bustin'. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if y'all try it. I'm on the road to 1,000, so get me there. Period. Peace.